two recent Luxair incidents, a precautionary return to Luxembourg and an emergency landing in Nice, have sparked public scrutiny over the airline's safety and standard aviation procedures. Hello, I'm Sasha for RTL Today and RTL Today Radio, and here are the 5 news stories we think you shouldn't miss at the end of this week. An orthopaedic surgeon at Robert Schumann Hospitals faces temporary suspension after CHL doctors accused him of performing unnecessary knee surgeries. Former Luxembourg City Mayor, Government Minister and Olympic fencer Colette Flech has died at the age of 88, marking the loss of one of the country's most influential political figures. US President Donald Trump dominated the World Economic Forum in Davos, using the platform to soften his threat over Greenland, unveil a new board of peace and reassert his vision of US-led global order. Spain's deadliest rail disaster in over a decade, killing at least 43 people, was followed by 2 more train incidents within days, prompting drivers to strike in February over ignored safety warnings. The weekly recap is out every Friday. Take a look this weekend on rtltoday.lu.